What's up, guys? VeryCoolAlan with another video for you. Today we are unboxing the ZST Pro by KZ. If you remember, I made an unboxing video a couple years ago about their ATE earphones. They were the $9.99 earphones that took the world by storm. That they sounded amazing for $9.99. Now these are $17.99 on Amazon. I will not put the link in the description because you guys can look for it for yourselves. There's a ton of listings for this earphone that it gets really confusing. I don't even know if I bought the Pros, but apparently I did because it says Pro on the back, but it doesn't even say Pro on the front. So you get confused all the time. And then there's these carbon fiber ones that look better than these, and they're not Pros apparently, but then on some YouTube videos, they'll put the name Pro in them. So you're just like, holy crap, I really don't know what they are. So hopefully these are the Pros, and if they're not, oh well, that's KZ's fault for their terrible marketing or not even having a website. I can't even find a website for this, this company. But, the YouTube videos have spoken. Whoever listens to these, they're usually blown away, usually impressed by the price and the earphone. So, I mean, you can't, deny that. You can't argue with that. So, we're going to go ahead and unbox it real quick. Excuse me, because I only have one hand because I'm recording with my phone. And I don't have a tripod, I think. I think I do. I don't know where it is. I already took off the little plastic earlier. But look at this. This is crazy. KZ earphone. Look at that. That shimmers. Let's try to take it off real quick. Oh man, that's crazy. So if you look at this right here, it says KS. There's ZST and like a little signature. It's a plastic body, but it looks really good. Blue little tip right there. Giggity. Okay, so let's see what else it comes with. Alright. Now it comes with a few tips. So you can use them for your ears. I mean, your different size ears, because I know some people have some big ass ears. But that's cool. And it also comes with this cool copper wire. Let's see if I can pause this. Boom. Look at that. Crazy. So here's the earphone adapter, 3.5mm headphone jack. And here are the 2-pin, I guess, type B connectors. I don't think it's an MCX, just a normal 2-pin. So it's like a copper. It looks pretty cool. Will it sound great? Probably not. This is probably really cheap wiring, but we'll see. Other than that, you just get the warranty card and the little information booklet. Apparently, you are not supposed to wear headphones when driving, so make sure you don't do that. That's all that was in the box. So let me set these up and see how they look. Okay, now these look pretty cool. So copper wire, and they are plugged in, little pins, and look, it says ZST hi-fi armature. So these are dual drivers. There's a 2 drivers on each side. It's pretty cool. We're gonna see how they sound, and then I'll make a separate video for that. But for now, here are these ZSTs. They sound great, I hope. We'll see if they actually do. If not, might still recommend them. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you interact with the video any way you can. Subscribe. Like it, dislike it, share it, whatever. Thank you. Peace.